Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Jennifer Marie, where I teach you different ways that you can make money online as a work-from-home freelancer. So if you follow my channel, you know I do a lot of different videos about how to become a freelancer on the platform Upwork. And today I want to talk to you about a really exciting update for new freelancers. So this new update that will take place in May means that you will make more money and Upwork will take less fees. For people who have been working on Upwork for a long time with the same contracts and the same clients, this might affect them in a negative way. And I'm going to explain to you a little bit about that. So first of all, this is my profile here. You can see that I've earned over $90,000 on Upwork so far since I started my account. I do video editing jobs, voiceovers, and that sort of thing. And recently, when I logged into Upwork, I saw right here, it says starting on May 3rd, 2023, we're moving all freelancers from the current 2010-5 sliding fee scale to a simpler fixed percentage fee of 10%. So what that means is right now, for example, if I did a job for $100, that would mean that I would take home $80 and Upwork would take home $20. So this is kind of a negative because Upwork is taking 20% of your fees. And right now, if you earn between $0 and $500 from a client, you are charged 20%. So a lot of times on Upwork, I do one-off jobs for many different clients. And that means every time I do a job for them, Upwork takes 20%. Now let's say I'm doing work for the same client and eventually I earn over $500. You can see here that between $500 and $10,000 in earnings from a client, the fee gets reduced to 10%. So that would mean if I did a job for $100, Upwork would only take $10. So right now with Upwork introducing this new 10% fixed rate, this is going to be excellent news for all new freelancers because that means you're going to take home more money and Upwork will charge less fees. This is only going to negatively impact people who have been working with the same client for a really long time. Because right now, if you have earned over $10,000 with the same client, the fee goes to 5%. So that would mean for a $100 job, Upwork would only take $5 in commission. So for example, this will negatively impact me with a few of my different clients. This is my biggest client, and you can see that with them, I've earned over $27,000. So right now, when I do a job for them, Upwork only takes 5%. However, with this new update, Upwork is now going to charge a fixed rate of 10%. So I'll be making less money with these types of contracts. So you can see here that contracts that currently have a 20% freelancer service fee will move to 10% on your next invoice. And this is after May 3rd, 2023. Contracts that already qualify for a 5% freelancer fee will continue at 5% through the end of 2023. So that would mean with my big clients that I have already earned over $10,000, I'll be making less money starting in 2024. Now, this is something you might want to negotiate with your big clients and say, hey, this is what's going on. I want to charge you a little bit more money. That's up to you. So they give you an example here, which is on a $500 project with a new client, your freelancer service fee would be $50. Your earnings after fees would be $450. So this is really great news. I mean, the majority of projects I do are one-off projects, and most of them I'm not earning over $10,000. So really, this isn't going to affect me too much. And for all of you guys, if you're brand new to Upwork, this is excellent news. I recommend you create a profile on Upwork and start applying to different jobs, especially come May, because the service fees will be less. And if you want a bit more information about how service fees works, once you complete a job, you can go to reports and click on overview. And you can see here that I have pending $177.40. So I did a job for $200 and you can see I had a service fee of $20. So that is the 10% rate. So every time you do a job, if you want to just double check the payment information, just go to reports, then overview, and under pending, you'll see the job you did, and then you'll see any other payments or fees that came off. Because I'm Canadian, I had to pay a GST fee as well of $2.60, but this I think is only for Canadians that I'm aware of. And if you don't have an account on Upwork and you want to know how to get started, make sure to click in the links in the description below this video. I have a playlist on everything you need to know about Upwork. But basically, all you have to do is go to Upwork, click on Find Work. This is once you've created your profile. Search for whatever job you want. And I have tutorials on how to search for the best type of job to increase your chance of getting hired. And let's say, for example, you found this job that you want to apply to. You can see their price would be $150 that they're willing to pay. You'd click on Apply Now. Then you'd scroll down. You'd put how much you are willing to do the job for. So you can either put this as higher or lower. And then you can see the Upwork service fee right here. And you can see that right now the service fee would be 20%, but come May, this will be even less. It will only be 10%. I think this is an amazing update. Honestly, it's really going to be beneficial for most new freelancers, and it's only going to negatively affect people who've been working with clients for a really long time to make that $10,000. Okay guys, that's it for this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to Jennifer Marie for more videos like this one, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.